All right, Amy, what are we doing?
We're going camping.
In the rainiest day. It doesn't look as bad, but we can't see anything. But we'll see how this goes.
It'll be great.
Wish us luck. La 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 la. La 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 la. Made it to Nintendo Hill. Amy's ready. We're almost there.
Yay.
Halfway.
Halfway. Almost halfway.
Halfway to Nintendo. Up to the top. That was the valley and Powerline Pass we were walking through.
There's some mountains over there.
Yeah. Now it's gone. Amy's still with us.
Yeah, I'm still here.
Think, Amy?
I'm kind of wet, but it's beautiful.
I'm soaking too. Like little icebergs.
I'm getting ready for a camp and a hot meal.
It is raining pretty good. Amy's keeping warm and we're cooking a delicious food. I'm gonna have some beef stroganoff, at least Amy is. Maybe she'll share a little,
Probably not.
because each thing is 2 servings. But we'll see. But our cozy abode, trying to stay dry, and we're kind of wet, but it's fine. We'll stay warm. Oh, it gets ready. Well, everyone, camera's a little blurry, but our chicken and rice, or my chicken and rice, was delicious. Amy's stroganoff.
Was beg to differ, even more delicious.
Yeah, she stole it. She wouldn't share. She gave me one bite.
He
2
only asked for
spoonfuls.
one bite.
I would have eaten it all. But our food is tucked away in a faraway boulder so we don't get eaten by bears. And then I forgot Amy's trash, so I had to sprint out there again. And I can actually see the city lights, so that's pretty cool. But we're going to bed, and it is 12 o'clock right now. I'm going to put a hat over my eyes so I can sleep.
It's a good idea.
Amy will probably just fall asleep no matter what.
Probably.
Okay, we love you, whoever we're talking to. Bye.
Ah.
It was raining pretty good, so I didn't really film anything for you. O'Malley Peak's up there. We couldn't see that last night at all. And we got some fresh snow. Pretty hard to see, but on the mountains there with that cold rain. Maybe we found some treasure. What goodies do we have?
I don't know. I can never get these things open.
Just yank. Don't cut yourself. She's so strong.
There's a logbook.
Nice.
We've got some of those thingies that make people see like bugs.
Oh.
Army man. Bug spray.
Some high quality stuff. We're getting rid of my pillow, my camping pillow. Putting it in the treasure chest, but I gotta use it one more time. The echo is pretty good right now. So we're gonna do some calling. Hello! Getting back in the clouds. Top of Nintendo Hill. Just waiting for this guy to start flying. Just getting his wings ready. That is super sick. His arms, he pulls down on these things. The clouds are just rolled in. I think he's just trying to get down and then turn right. I don't think he wants to lose his visibility. That's crazy though. What do you think, Amy?
I love it.
A little prettier than yesterday?
Different kind of pretty.
Yeah.
I like the sun.
And we can actually see today.
Yeah.
Amy officially wants to start flying. Amy, what is it?
The end of our journey.
Thanks for coming along.